Welcome to Explore with Us, your family travel channel. Tired of luggage fails? Wheels breaking, zippers dying mid-trip? Stop struggling. Meet the ultimate travel solution, the Level 8 Adventure 20-inch carry-on. It's built different. We tested it, from unboxing up to the roughest airport handling. We love to travel, but let's be honest, nothing ruins the start of an adventure faster than bad luggage. We're talking broken wheels, jamming handles, flimsy zippers. We at Explore With Us were done with that stress. That's why we switched to the Level 8 Adventure Carry-On 20-inch. The Level 8 Adventure is currently available in 3 distinct color editions. You have the classic sleek black. There is the beautiful limited edition Celadon, which is a striking soft green, and the unique yellow black. The biggest game changer is the innovative front side lid opening. You don't have to lay your entire case flat just to grab something. Maximum space, minimum effort. It's brilliant! Now let's talk about the dimensions. The Adventure Carry-On 20-inch model is perfectly sized for carry-on into the cabin. Here, you see the dimensions in centimeters and in inches. Thanks to the extension zip, the volume can be expanded by additional 5 liters. This is such a great feature and gives you this extra option if needed. The shell case is made from premium Macrolon polycarbonate, giving you lightweight durability that resists damage. All compartments are secured by high-quality, smooth-running zips. Ultimately, this Level 8 Adventure case delivers outstanding perfection across all materials, ensuring this is luggage you can truly rely on. The unique front side lid opening is very remarkable. So far, we didn't see such a concept elsewhere, just by Level 8. Security is handled by an integrated TSA-approved lock. This keeps your items safe, allows easy inspection by airport security, and most importantly, you can set up your own individual 3-digit code for maximum personal protection. You also get comfortable, flexible pull-out short handles on the top and side for easy carrying and lifting. Now for the feature that truly defines premium travel, the wheels. These are the Level 8 Silent Free-Run 360-degree spinners. They are engineered with precision ball bearings to deliver an unbelievably smooth and, most importantly, silent glide. Whether you are rushing across carpet or rolling over tiles, these wheels make the case feel weightless, turning stressful airport transits into a genuinely effortless experience. Multilingual manual included. Explains all features and provides easy instructions for setting the lock code. Need more room? No problem. The Adventure Carry-On Suitcase comes as already mentioned with an expandable zipper. The expandable central zipper adds 5 liters of extra space for travel essentials. Don't overlook the handle. Level 8 uses a revolutionary handle design, an ultra-sturdy, wide telescopic system. This gives you superior stability and better control, even when the case is fully loaded. Best of all, this wide design actually frees up more interior packing room. A small detail, but a huge functional upgrade. If you're enjoying our review so far, please take a moment to give us a like and subscribe to our channel. We release new travel content, tips, and tricks specifically for travel families on a regular basis. Also, feel free to leave us a comment below. We love hearing from you, whether you have questions, suggestions, or just want to give us your feedback. Your support helps us explore more. Now for the functional test. The true measure of any luggage is its internal capacity and organization. I love these features. The zipped pockets built right into the lid and sides. Let's tackle my typical packing list. See how quickly and efficiently everything fits. Now let's test the handling at the airport. As you can see, we actually have both suitcase sizes. The 20-inch Adventure carry-on, perfect for cabin luggage, alongside the larger 24-inch version for checked baggage. More importantly, thanks to those silent, smooth-running wheels, our kids love to riding on it like a little trolley. It turns stressful airport waiting into a fun experience for the kids. Practicality meets travel fun. This long handle is just brilliant. Perfect design. And for those of you who want double confirmation this suitcase is carry-on compliant, here is the test at one of the typical dimension checking stations at the airport. As you can see, the Adventure 20-inch suitcase fits perfectly inside. No stress at check-in or when boarding. And honestly, this Level 8 set is truly outstanding. We've already had so many people approach us at the airport asking where we got these suitcases. You're in luck! All the links and details are right in the description below. Plus, we're giving you a special 15% Explore With Us discount code. Go check them out and save big on your next adventure. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one.